Highly recommended tour. Our guide Francesco was very accommodating and knowledgeable, engaging, humorous too. He offered more than what we expected. Luxembourg is a nice city with lots to do. You could spend a whole day, or more, for a more in-depth visit of this interesting area. Welcome to Luxembourg. Even with a short visit, this tour offers a perfect chance to explore the city's beauty and history. Led by an expert guide, you'll uncover intriguing stories and gain historical insights into Luxembourg's most iconic sites. Beginning in the heart of the city, this 2-hour journey will take you along charming streets and squares, past ancient churches, and by the elegant royal palace. Enjoy breathtaking views from the historic fortification walls that offer a unique perspective on the cityscape. The tour then descends into the peaceful Grund district, allowing you to experience the serene atmosphere surrounding the former Neumünster Abbey. This guided walk promises a memorable and enriching overview of Luxembourg's remarkable landmarks and scenic areas.